Hello fellow traders, Marv Eisen from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Most days we have an orderly market, and I'm going to use the example of Thursday, October 9th. The trading zone forecast resistance at 68.07 and support down at 67.67, and as you can see, prices traded within the confines of the forecast trading zone. But then we go to Friday, October 10th, and we see a completely different picture. Now, friends, this is an anomaly. And President Trump put his thumb on the scale, and I'm going to give you the news right over here. Trump puts extra 100% tariff on China. And as we all know, most things that are sold in the United States emanate from China. And for the president to put his thumb on the markets is a very strange, unusual thing. He really shouldn't do this. I'm not trying to be political, but many people must have lost a lot of money on this quick decline, this quick fade of prices. And look, at the time of his announcement at 10:57, the market completely collapsed. And this is not the way to run an economy, my friends. Now, if he announces a reversal of this, of course, he's going to tell his friends prior, and the market will reverse. And so this is certainly something that is anathema to the way markets should be run. And so while trading can be profitable, I urge you, when President Trump is going to just extemporaneously make a comment that's going to rile the markets, hopefully you're not in it. And as you can see, prices just took a nosedive and continued down from there. Now, I will point out that the setup was a time and price trade. If you wanted to look at it like that, I certainly don't, because it was a time and price trade. Here's the first leg, equilibrium, and here's the second leg. This is very, very unusual. Hopefully you weren't flim-flammed, you weren't caught. If you were trading long at the time of this announcement, hopefully you had a stop that protected you. And if you didn't, if you were trading to the short side and you stayed on, well, you made a lot of money, of course, but it's not the way to trade. This is not the way markets should be run. I'm sorry to digress. I don't want to seem political, but the president should not be making extemporaneous remarks that are going to roil markets like this. But then again, it is October, and October is typically a month where markets are seen to decline. And is this the beginning of the recession that so many have been talking about? I certainly don't know. I don't have that crystal ball, but let's see what happens. We'll see if prices stabilize over the weekend, but that's a story yet to be written. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely. Use lots of patience. Learn how to trade at timelessdollar.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.